Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to meditate as a beginner and how simple it is. Basically, I'm going to demystify this shit because people are trying to make it harder than it looks. It's very simple. So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
I understand. If being smarter means what you say it does, I'll remain a fool my entire life. I'll create some incredible jutsu, and I'll rescue Sasuke no matter what!
Before I show you how to meditate, I'll rather give you an incentive as to why you should meditate. And I'm not going to be one of them guys that goes like, oh, if you meditate, it's going to change your life. No. Nothing will change your life on its own. It's not like a miracle solution that's going to save your life, or change your life drastically, but it will enhance it. It will make it slightly better. Do you know what I'm saying? It will add a little bit of sauce, do you know what I'm saying, to your life. Do you know what I mean? It's like, for example, going for a run. It's not going to change your life by itself, but it's a component that's going to add something valuable, do you know what I'm saying, on the long term. The same can be said for meditation. And I believe the way I see it is that meditation brings a certain element of serenity, peace, calm, and clarity. Do you know what I'm saying? That's what it brings to the table. Do you know what I mean? When you finish meditating, you are just at peace, you're calm, you're relaxed, and things are clear. Like, you see things for what they are. And also, on the long term, you can use the experience, your meditation experience, to go into like a semi meditation. For example, when I'm in stressful situations, sometimes I just relax and I focus on my breathing, and then I'm able to see things clearly, to see what I can do, how I can solve this problem, what can I do objectively. Do you know what I mean? That's what meditation brings to the table. Now, let's get into it. Let me show you how you can meditate right now, today, and feel the benefits today. So basically, what you're doing basically is, when you're meditating, from what I know, is that basically you're stopping all the mad thing that's going on in your head. Do you know what I'm saying? What you're doing is that you're calming your mind down, essentially. It's like telling your mind that you gotta relax, bruv. You gotta relax. You gotta chill out, bro. Because right now you're doing the most. However, the thing is, you will never be able to stop your mind from thinking. But what you can do is you can decrease the amount of mad thing it's thinking about by shifting all that energy that your mind is spending on different thoughts into your mind focusing on one thought. Do you get what I'm saying? And even when you focus on that one thought, your mind is so powerful that sometimes some other thought will come. But the thing is that as long as you don't hold on to these thoughts, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. You're human. You're not from Zion or something like that. You get what I'm saying? You're not a superhuman, or do you get what I'm saying? You're just a human being. And that's the beauty of being human. We strive. That's what makes us, you know what I'm saying, go forward. But basically, back to the topic, all you gotta do for this meditation, for you beginners, and I'm kind of a beginner myself, is focus on your breath. First of all, relax yourself. It's ideal. I'll ideally tell you to sit down on the ground, not on a chair, on the ground. Feel connected to the earth. You get what I'm saying? Feel the ground taking you in. close your eyes. That's important. Do you know what I'm saying? For your pineal gland. Do you know what I mean? It's important. Because basically, when there's no light, when you close your eyes, that's when it's good for the pineal gland. Do you know what I'm saying? The pineal gland is what actually sends serotonin into your body, like the sleep hormone, all that. All your sleeping mechanism, sleep and wake mechanism in it. So close your eyes. That will put you in that state, the right state of mind for meditation. Close your eyes, relax. Now, your eyes are closed, okay? Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start breathing. And breathe in such a manner where you can hear the breathing, yeah? So when you inhale, actually do it with your nose. When you inhale, take as much air in your belly as you can, yeah? And then when you exhale, exhale with your mouth. Make sure as you exhale, you take all the air out. Take everything out. And then take it back in. See that? Now, what I want you to do is basically, as you do this breathing, yeah, there's two things I want you to focus about on yourself, and only those two things, yeah? Forget about everything else. As you're doing it, focus on what you hear, the breathing you're hearing, that sound. And second thing is focusing on how you feel, how your stomach feels, how your lungs feel as the air is going in and out. That's going to be your main focus. Once you focus on that, basically, with your eyes closed, your thoughts are just going to be that. You're going to be present in the moment. And basically, that's you meditating. Because you won't be thinking about anything else. Occasionally, a thought might come here and there, but just let it go. Don't hold on to it. You might be thinking about what you're gonna eat in a couple of hours. Just leave it at that. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh, macaroni and cheese. Back to the breathing. Do you get what I'm saying? So, what do you feel? That's as easy as it is. Don't let anyone fool you and tell you that you need to get some next chakra or something like that, or put some fire in your hand, bruv. It's not that hard, bruv. Anyone can do this shit, bruv. So yeah, guys. I know I've been doing different type of videos lately, but why not? I feel like if I can make a difference in someone's life, why not do it? Do you know what I mean? It was your boy Tenem School. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.